What country you from? Where you born?
I'm originally from Ghana, you know.
Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana, West Africa.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. I used to live in the UK, so I have a lot of Jamaican friends over there.
Okay.
You know.
I always want to visit Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
See, guys, all the way from he was born in Ghana, you know, and he was based in the US now, right?
Yeah.
And he based in the USA. But the man said always want to come to Jamaica, you know, and now he's here in Jamaica for the first time, you know. How does it feel walking on the side?
Yeah, man, you know, I'm just so glad to touch the land, you know, because it's a dream like I always wanted to visit, and now I'm here.
Yeah.
And I'm watching your videos too, you know, inspired me more to come, because the good work that Kino is doing, man, you need to just subscribe to Kino Live in Jamaica, man, you know.
Morning, 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 morning. Johnny Blacks. Eh? Virginia said, come meet, sir. Yeah, man, guess good morning, so we're here to meet DJ Wicked is here. Yeah. So wash her down.
Yeah. Long time she no wash.
Oh.
She go over there because no time else no bother.
Yeah, yeah.
You look calm, you know?
Aye. Man, yeah, don't know. Man, very early. Alright, well, I'm gonna say good morning. So remember, I did mention to DJ Suki that I got a fridge, you know, that I will give to him as well too. Yeah, and also we have a donor, you know, that sent a donation for him, you know, for the Chopman. He's gonna head to Clarendon as well to pick up some zincs as well too, which I have down there, you know, and some stuff. So she sent a donation for him, you know, for him to collect it, you know. So I want to give thanks to Serafina, you know. I want to thank you so much for helping out DJ Wicked, you know. It's mean the world to him, you know. At least now him can pay the Chopman, you know, because the Chopman charge 45,000 Jamaican dollar, you know, for make that journey from St. Thomas to Clarendon, you know. But on the way to Clarendon, he stopped by me, you know, where he can pick up the fridge, you know. But I promised him as well too, so stay tuned. Wicked! Oh yeah. Yeah, so so me also have a donation for you, yeah? Oh, see. So the person name is trying to call her, her name is Serafina. Serafina. Yes, so she said 46 for you and 2,000 is for your son. Okay. Yeah, so this is 48,000, so counted. Counted says 48,000.
Yes, 48,000.
48,000.
And I want to say a big thank you
Serafina.
to Serafina. You know, do appreciate it a lot. You know, truly grateful from the bottom of my heart straight to the top. You know, God is really good, and I hope God continue to bless you, you know, abundantly, so you can have to share with others as well. Yeah, man, do appreciate it. I want to say big up Kino Life in Jamaica, guys, you know, for the great work, you know, that he's been doing. I want to say, you know, thank you guys for taking him to 40K, you know. I'm so grateful and happy for him as well, guys, you know. So guys, yeah, man, let's take him to 50K now, guys. And I'm just want to say a big thank you guys for all the love that you guys been showing me with You know,
yeah.
appreciate it a lot.
Yeah, to all the donors, to all the extended family and the donors them that reach out to Suki and his wife, you know, I want to thank him so much.
Appreciate
because,
it.
yeah, he really appreciated him and his wife, you know. So at least, you know, this is another stepping stone. You know, I want to thank Serafina so much for helping out.
Serafina, you know.
Yeah, somebody send the address as well, too, right?
Yeah.
And your phones, you know, I'll give you a contact number where you can call her as well, too, while they're there. You know, so I want to thank her so much. So as what I mentioned in the previous video, you know, that I've got a fridge, you know, that I used to use, you know, so I can give it to Swicked where he can help out with them chicken business. A bigger fridge where he can hold more chicken, you know, so he can expand in business, expand the future to greatness, you know. So guys, so thank you so much for watching. Remember, check out DJ Swicked, you know, Life with Oriente. I see them where the link will be in the description, you know. Let's give them a strength, you know, give them a helping hand to grow so them can help themselves, you know, so you can also see the growth, you know. So give thanks. So we're here and see you very early in the morning, you know, very, very early here in the morning. So at the first we do a vlog so early. You know, I'm literally still sleeping. You know, you can see the sleep in my eyes, still sleeping. But you know, we rise with the sun.
Yeah,
you know, everything goes. So the truck is here.
More thanks and happiness, people. Yeah, man. Continue to do the right people. You know, yeah, man. I appreciate the love always, always.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Yes, guys, so it wasn't that heavy though, you know, to get it over the wall or to get it in the truck, you know, so at least give thanks. Yes guys, so that was the mission, you know, getting the truck up, getting the fridge in the truck, you know, everything there, so yeah, so it was strapped down and everything, so you know, so the fridge are fire like whoa, you know, so right now we can freeze a lot of chicken now, so he's gonna go on his next journey now all the way to Clarendon, you know.
See what go on people, so let's go and pray with strength, you see me? Yeah man, as we out here doing the right, you see me? Yeah man, enough love to Kino. Life in Jamaica and the whole team, big up D-Mango, also big up Christmas list. You see what I say, cause I met this great link up happen and all of that, so we appreciate the love, you know, truly grateful, And guys, continue shower us with love, you know.
Yeah.
Not just me alone, Kino life in Jamaica, guys. He's a good-hearted person. Yeah, man, do the right thing. Take him to 50K, guys.
Yes,
yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah, man.
That is it, people.
That is it. So sick it.
More
Give thanks to the
love,
people.
more love, happiness,
More love,
and
more shit.
appreciate it.
Cooler,
See,
man.
you know?
Big up yourself.
That is it.
Tell the driver respect. Driver, respect, you know. More guidance, yeah? Yes, guys, so that is it for today. You know, the truck is locked and loaded and ready to move. Well. There's nothing like feeling like walking back through Sea View. Let's say Rasta, man. The good feeling of walking back through Sea View. So guys, I'm just gonna get some fish. You know, gonna go over by Portmore quickly to get some fish to come back and cook. You know, so I'm back here in Sea View. Oh, come on, don't wanna fly. So there in Sea View, as you can see. A place full of car today. Cool on, car today can't walk. Place loaded. Take up yourself, man, cool on. Guys, I need to start drinking them roots. This is what good for your structure, the roots. You know, the Rastaman roots. Them roots are good for your structure. So guys, remember, please, welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Put the thumbs up if you haven't put the thumbs up. Anyone stay tuned. Hit that bell to get the notification, you know, whenever I post a video. But always remember to put the thumbs up, you know, to support the program. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Market. How would I fish on
Christmas parrot.
Eh?
Christmas parrot.
Christmas parrots on Christmas and when I can get them fish.
No, me get it all the while, but a Christmas parrot, yeah.
After them card it?
Yeah, yeah.
We'll try it.
Nice.
We'll try it when it's so sure.
This is how about sitting in the park, you got like
Come to the ground, you have the gun?
Yeah, see that.
I do that.
Park in the one.
Snapper, right?
Yeah, see that.
How much up behind?
What that two pound? What you want? Right that?
No.
3?
Yeah. Give me the snapper. How can I fish this?
Snapper.
No, snapper. Which one?
Reef snapper.
Lobster here, guys. Lobster. Crab that. Crab. Lobster here. Big lobster there. Good. My Christmas present this?
Oh, man, one, I'm my boss. What do you mean by boss? I'm a good friend.
Good friend.
I'm my one boss.
Okay.
No, I eat them now.
No, man, yeah. Much that more. So that's good.
Yeah, 4 or 5, right?
Done everything with the man them diaper them use. Diver the views and everything. Wow. Go feed them now. Go feed before you go too far.
No man, I can't go feed because I enjoy it.
Alright, go feed for him. If you can't go feed for him. One feed for him. Are you the big swimmer? That's trouble, you know, in trouble. The fish them is scaling, so you know we have to pay as well, pay a price for scale them as well, so you know, so everything you have to make them make a money, so yes. Well, blessed love. Welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. It's your boy Kino speaking. You know, and today, before today, guys, remember please to put the thumbs up, right? And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, go and smash that subscribe button, smash the like button. Also, you know, and thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. Thank you for your support. You know, it means a lot to us, you know, by subscribing and put the thumbs up. So, you know, today I'm at the airport now. I'm picking up a guest, you know, who's a subscriber of the program as well too. You know, he asked me for, he said he want to stay locally in Trenchtown, you know, so there's an Airbnb there in Trenchtown because he want to get the experience, you know, for me to come pick him up and carry him around and spend some time in Trenchtown, you know. So we have a guest here, literally his land now, so I'm waiting and coming through immigration now, so you'll see him in a minute, you know. So we thank him so much, you know. We thank him as well too, you know, for passing through, you know, here in Jamaica. I think it's his first time here in Jamaica. Yeah, it's his first time here in Jamaica, so it is a blessing. Him watch the program, him like what I've been doing, you know, and been seeing me how the way I look after people and everything, and him say, you know, I would like to come and spend some time in Trenchtown because you know the history about it and everything. So there's an Airbnb there in Trenchtown, that's where I linked him up with, you know, where we got many of our guests them come there already and to stay there. So I'm literally gonna wait on him now to come out through the immigration, you know, and that's where it is today, you know. So stay tuned. He's looking forward for the Trenchtown experience, you know. So I'm here at the Norman Manley International Airport here in Kingston, you know, and I'm telling you, I don't know what's been going on, but well, I should have asked what's been going on. It's the Christmas season. I know the Christmas season, the place is festive. I was literally driving around trying to find myself a park, and I couldn't even get a park to how the place is busy, you know. I couldn't find myself a park the way the place is busy. There's so many cars, so much, so busy. So we meant to land from about 2 o'clock, so now it's gone past 2, past 3 now, almost 4 o'clock. So you can imagine how inside there is busy. So well, I got a call from the immigration, you know. I got a call from the immigration, so the immigration asked me some questions. How do I know him, all of this. So I told them, so it's through the program, you know, Life in Jamaica. And them say, okay, them heard about the program, you know. So them asking me why he want to stay in Trenchtown, and I said, well, Trenchtown is his choice, you know, because he wants the program, want to get the experience of the inner city, you know, and him like it. So he's been, so the Airbnb is on 1st Street, you know, that's where Bob Marley Culture Yard is, right next to Bob Marley Culture Yard. So it's right next to the culture and thing. So that's where the mixing and everything. All is good. Cool now. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So that's where he will be staying, you know. So we give thanks and everything, you know. I thank him so much for watching the program, you know, because you know my programs are trusted network. We do everything transparent, you know. You know it goes already, so we give thanks. So we here, so we waiting for him to arrive, you know. So the customs say he's okay to come out and everything. So we just waiting on him to come out. All is well. You know the thing goes already. Colors is not even here, so I'm wondering what's going on with Colors. Colors is not even here today. So you know we have a subscriber here, shout out and thing. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
Cool now.
That's a respect.
More straight.
I love, man. Text you when me day over, so you know. Text you when me day over, so you know.
You know what I say you text me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, a good while back.
Yeah, man, never set a thing, set a thing to me from my phone,
yeah.
Me I see colors over here. I know you make me know colors.
Yeah.
See colors over here. Me I say, what colors are there, boy?
You're not there today?
No, I don't see him come on yet.
Oh, because I don't see him too. No, I guess me there way up and as well too.
See them, yeah? Yeah, man, I set them come in, man.
Okay. Okay, you have the number already.
Yeah.
See there.
Read, man. Always make sure keep up to date, you know?
Yeah.
Really, I don't know.
See that big up yourself.
I love, man. You know the thing go.
Yeah, man.
You hear that?
Merry Christmas, yeah? Merry Christmas. Yes, I was going to say, one of our subscribers, you know, it goes that there's more car than people, so maybe the people them park them car and fly out, you know, because there's more car in the car park than people, so I wonder what's going on. But yeah, well, I guess Colors is not here today. I guess Colors is not here today, because I see you already. Cool, man. All is well.
Yeah, go over here, put them in, brother.
Yes, there's no sign of Colors. So I should call Colors and ask him if he's coming to the airport today. Well, the place busy. Let me go drink. No, somebody may wait for as well too. So you might come through. That's really I go buy over here. Not there, man, yeah? Guys, you know me get broke into the routine of jelly, so I go want one jelly right now. Right now I go want one jelly to go and wash up out while I'm waiting for Frank to come out, you know. Frank. But them jelly look small. Why these jelly look so small? Baby jellies. Them are baby jelly. So here's where you get your jelly across. There. Take your time, you know, mama. Yeah, extra? Oh, extra. How much weight? 250. Yeah. $350. I wonder if she might take me and just come off of the plane. And guys, this is well cool. Drink the ice water this. I wonder if she take that just coming off the plane. She give me the 350 price. Do I look like a foreigner? What a foreigner supposed to look like? Well, cool. No? You get one of your banana as well, no, please. How much banana? $50. You get one banana, please.
Yeah, man, take it out.
So one banana and a jelly. I cannot be like demon go and eat so much banana one time. I don't know how she do it, but I have to give her ratings. I have to give her a rating.
Which one again?
Jelly are fresh. Coming to throw water night. The jelly are fresh like a water to throw in it and freeze it. Thanks, sir.
Yeah.
Frank himself. Oh, that's two of them.
Yeah, that's all I have.
Okay, come to the park over there. So you can't stay. We cannot push it over then. Right? So how is everything, man? Welcome.
I don't know why they called me for long, you know.
Because them are fresh, because them call me as well too and I ask a few questions.
I didn't know, but I was like, what? I was shocked. I thought they were gonna let me through like this.
Yeah. Because them are ask why want to stay in trench down?
Security is strong, bro.
Huh?
Jamaica security is really strong.
Yeah.
Tight.
Security well tight though.
No, you can come somebody.
The woman gets strong. Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica.
See, I always wanted to visit Jamaica, you know.
First time in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, you know.
Hey.
First time over there.
Welcome, man. Welcome to the wonderful world of Jamaica. So tell them which country you're from. Where you born?
I'm originally from Ghana, you know.
Ghana.
Yeah, Ghana, West Africa.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man. I used to live in the UK, so I have a lot of Jamaican friends over there.
Okay.
You know.
I always want to visit Jamaica.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
See, guys, all the way from, he was born in Ghana, you know, and he was based in the US now, right?
Yeah.
And he's based in the USA. Well, the man said always want to come to Jamaica, you know, and now he's here in Jamaica for the first time, you know. How does it feel walking on the side?
Yeah, man, you know, I'm just so glad to touch the land, you know, because it's a dream like I always wanted to visit, and now I'm here.
Yeah.
And I'm watching your videos too, you know, inspired me more to come, because the good work that Kino is doing, man, you need to just subscribe to Kino Live in Jamaica, man, you know, because that man is doing a good work, you know.
Yes,
you need to check that out, you know, and subscribe it, bro, you know.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man.
I always watch and see we're drinking jelly, coconut jelly. You ever drink one before?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Drink
man.
it before?
In Ghana too, yeah.
In Ghana.
Yeah, man, you know.
Huh?
Say Jamaica.
Yeah, man, Jamaica. So you will be staying right next to the culture yard, Bob Marley culture yard.
Yeah, man.
Because she's asking, so why you want to stay in Trenchtown? Tell them why you want to stay in Trenchtown.
You see, where I live in Ghana is kind of, I've been watching videos of Trenchtown, and where I live in Ghana is kind of similar. So, you know, I thought it might be a better place, like, you know, I like seeing many people and things like that, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so where you was like the inner, it's like an inner city. It's like a
Yeah, I live in a city
like
in Ghana called
like,
Tema.
Yeah.
The area near Accra called Tema, you know, community one there. So yeah, man. So it's kind of like similar, you know.
Okay, so you just like them experience, you like them.
Yeah, like the ghetto area like that, you know.
Yeah. Cause I remember explaining to you in Trenchtown, sometimes it's up and the violence is up and it's down, but you know, it never lasts and everything, you know. But and you say, yo, you're used to them live, you know. You say, you know, it's similar to where we're from, because it's everywhere. But trust me, Trenchtown is a nice place, and the street that you're staying on, First Street, it's right next to Bob Marley culture yard, so that street is always good as well too. You know, a lot of culture there and everything.
I mean, before people was trying to scare me, why Trenchtown? I was like, yeah, man, it's a place too. But people live there, so why can't I live there? You know?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? There's crime everywhere. You know what I'm saying? So I just thought that would be the best place for me. Yeah.
Of course, I was born and grew there same way, you know. Trenchtown is a very nice place, you know. Very nice. It's only when you have look unruly ones them, but it never lasts. And the car park is so full. You have to thief illegal parking.
Wow. Yeah, thanks for coming though, bro. It's going for you.
Yes, guys, so welcome Frank to Jamaica.
Nice to Kino Live in Jamaica. I watch your videos every day, you and D Wango. Yeah, man, you know.
Frank. Car park is so full, you know. So I guess
all of them picking people up. They're picking people up.
I'm wondering if they're picking up or them gone or something. But I don't know where them is. Just put it on top. Alright, so let me go pay this ticket first. Go right here, come on. natural mystics. Good day, good day, good day, good day. What type of soup are you drinking? Wow. Let me get one as well, please.
5 or 6, which one?
That cup there.
5 and 6, yes?
5 and 6. Alright, might as well take the 6 because 6 cup look more bigger. Crayfish soup. Yeah, give me one coconut for me, please. Crayfish soup. Are you boiling it? It nice? So you could have said no. So I'm getting crayfish. Why it look thick?
Whole heap of body.
Whole heap of body. Whole heap of goodies. So guys, I'm drinking crayfish soup. Crayfish soup.
Jamaica money.
Dragon, you don't want jelly? Okay, dragon instead. From Ghana. From Africa.
See already, man, it's up here before. It's not the first to stop here.
First time in Jamaica.
Eh? You see already?
I'm still on YouTube, but
First time.
the one YouTuber who
Somebody like it.
Oh. Look like him.
You don't have to go back, you know.
I want to stay for good. If they're gonna
Whenever them come in, them don't want to go back still.
Nice country.
Oh, there's crayfish tonight.
Yeah, man.
Crayfish.
You know?
Oh. So I'm taste something gummy a while ago.
Irish mash.
Irish mash. Oh.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Because I'm a vegetarian and seafood. I'm just a... Did I come here, you see?
Irish mash. No other meat.
No, Adam. And them are nice as well, you know. Strong back.
Baba, you said?
This one. This one, strong but strong.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
It's nice. It's coconut oil. You make it yourself? Pure coconut oil.
You got the ganja wine too.
Ganja wine? Wait there.
Green go away.
This one? Oh, ganja wine.
I agree.
So that now I get the frost man quicker than if you smoke it.
Can't take too much.
Can't take too much. So you make that yourself? Where you use the stick or the seed?
Stick and leave.
Can't leave. Boil it.
The seed gets nice, you know.
Oh.
Dry, ferment.
Oh, you ferment, ja. That's stronger than the weed itself then.
Wow.
So you see that? Ganja this, you know, ganja wine.
Yeah, we have that in Africa too. In Ghana, they mix it with alcohol, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, they mix it with alcohol and then you kind of you drink the juice. You know?
Smoke it up there?
Yeah, man, a lot. They smoke it everywhere in the house. Like, it's kind of like legalized, you know.
Yeah.
So in Ghana, it's like legalized there, and then they have that. Yeah, you know this like a rum, right? Like a Jamaican rum.
Yeah.
They mix it, the ganja with it, you know, and it turn like green, you know, and you have to green that. That shit is mad, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Ganja wine, boy.
Ganja and rum.
That's it there.
That's a rum too.
Yeah, this is right here. This one.
How much is that?
3 grand.
3,000 Jamaican dollars.
I can get that in town, right? I can get that in town.
Yeah?
I can drink it like a week, like a whole week, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Five and six.
You won't get it. He's the one that made it.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's all here that I can find it.
Yeah. That's the thing about Jamaica, you know, they're very talented by making roots, wine, and them things. So he's the one that made it. Yeah.
Why not this?
Yeah, I mean, I could buy one then I'll keep it, you know, and drink it. Can I get arrested for that?
No, it's legalized in Jamaica. You cannot get arrested.
You're gonna want 2 bottles.
I'll take one with me. I'll buy 1 bottle, then you'll start it. Yeah, man, same thing we have over there. That's strong, man.
Why not this?
When it's strong, man. It's ash.
If I drink all of that, man, I could probably fall asleep in like...
Good, good.
Yes, cold coconut.
Yeah.
Can I get one?
Yeah.
Cheers.
I'll do one. Here's the four. Alright, where are these?
Here's the quality. 2 of those?
Yeah.
You mean 2 in all or 2 more?
But cold. What are them? 2 cold Pepsi?
2 Pepsi?
Yes.
So in natural we sell. From castor oil, dirt, cheese,
How much are these?
12.
Well,
6 each. 350 the shell.
some plant chips.
1 each?
2 goes with plant. How much are them? 1.
1. Banana chips.
So Frank is getting the
Yeah, man.
ganja wine.
Ganja rum.
Ganja wine.
Ganja wine, yeah, man. So,
Lime key with the boat chips, the lime key.
in Jamaica, man. One love.
See? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm drinking a crayfish soup. As you can see, this is a crayfish soup. Give thanks, you know.
Come on, big up yourself.
Movements.
When you're ready to take a trip to the beach.
Yeah, definitely. Alright, Frank. Ready? Right. That soup drink really well. Not lying. Say no, Frank is here. Frank say want to try the ganja wine.
Yeah, man. We have that in Ghana too, but it's a different type. In Ghana, we call it laka.
Laka.
Yeah, man, laka. Same thing.
Yeah. Welcome, Frank, to Jamaica. First time here. Yeah. Jamaica Frank is here.
kept me there for a while, because, you know, they wouldn't let me come. I just go through and things. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you as well. Oh, you didn't know the address?
Nada.
Yeah,
I gave you the address.
The Talking Blues, but this is
Talking Blues.
You should have told the owner, Sophia. I don't care.
Yeah, because immigration, yeah. Katrina come here for the first time.
Asian come, them give them a walk time.
Because I have
Always have Asian.
Yeah. Well. So we just arrived here in Trenchtown. We just arrived.
nicer than the videos, nicer than what
Yeah.
beautiful than the video.
Yeah. It's reality. So this is your, see, where you see the fence with the Rasta color, that's the Bob Marley culture yard.
Yeah, I saw that.
Trenchtown culture yard.
Statue.
Yeah, Trenchtown.
Bob Marley statue. Like,
Yeah, in there.
I saw that on YouTube, but it was different, like more like, you know,
Yeah.
Don't run up and down and pull up.
Yeah. Hello. Very fine. Are you, Mr. Why you try for first, man? Why you try for first, man? Here on. Alright, may I come?
Keep the right time in man.
Oh, I go on. Look.
No, I'm keep. I'm going to ball what you. No. I'll let
You know? Are you a boy?
Yeah.
My mother buy your pretty shoes. We are the talking. Yeah? I'm gonna take it off and give him. So yes, sir.
this is just right here, bro.
So this is where she live in this yard. This is her house here. This is her house. She live here. This is her window. We can call her from and say Sophia. You can call her from there. She said the shop over here. So if you want to buy anything, you can just get it at the shop over here.
You live far from here too?
See me now my outfit here. Hey. Yeah, see me now my outfit here. Jeez. See me now my outfit here.
You know video song.
Sure.
I will show them at
Right out. Okay, I'll get my friend. All the way from Africa, we guess here in Trenchtown.
So you look like Usher. You know Usher?
Oh, Usher. Man look like Usher. A big name there, get prefect. Big, give my Usher song now.
No, we're not ready yet. Make it weird.
Yeah.
You know?
Because we make him book down a Sophia. So I don't go and go see him. Down a Sophia. Come, make your
It's just like I'm back home, you know? It's just like I'm back home. Like,
What
I feel like I'm walking in Ghana.
Colors. Oh, I'm there, man. Voilà, I go for S and come back. If you go for S. Come.
Voilà,
Yes, so me bring him to you all the way from Africa. Alright, Moyet, I'm sending you to Ghana.
I see the life in Jamaica.
You see them, bro. Single ladies, are you single ready to mingle? Hey, oh that Eva, oh looks so nice. Wait. Eva, pose. Pose, Eva, pose.
Eva, hot. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh yeah, take your picture.
Look for mommy.
Say cheese. What's another pose?
That's like
This is one here.
different man. I didn't know.
Move that curtain now.
Yes, man. Jeez. People will be blinded already. Whoa. Colors mansion. Well, them say girl shan.
Let me tell you.
Colors blinging. Pure Gucci. Gucci pan him body and Gucci pan wall. Got all round. Chanel and Gucci a link over here, so. And you have Gucci pan bed and a Gucci.
No, that's not right.
Oh, the one that's smooth.
Too much the curtain.
Okay, so you have Smoochy and Gucci.
Yeah, want to send a special Happy Christmas and Boxing Day and New Year to all my extended family them. You get what I'm saying? You know, last time I there, yo, at the first music that Christmas I said, you know, a good thing I see one bridging. I did it last night and can't rent the morning car. The flight them was so timid. But you know we don't really watch nothing.
Yeah.
I did it, me a man say Colors. His name is 777. He gave me $50, you know.
Wow.
Yeah. And he made a video me and I make some people know say see the great colors there. He might have to more Demonga.
Yeah.
I love how I buy a little thing them having at the fridge. Tell you and forward and you know.
Yeah.
All day I'm sleeping today, you know, bro.
Hey, been sleeping all day.
If this a jacuzzi, so oh my God, all day I'm
School has been sleeping all day.
Yes.
But we give thanks. I'm saying you always blessings in a way you deserve, you know.
Yeah, man.
I'm like how them always look out for you. And last night they said you get $50
Yeah.
from this person who watch the video.
Yeah, man. His name 777.
777, big up yourself, 777.
Yeah, $50 last night.
And so tonight now, you have $40 here for you.
Yeah.
So you get 50 last night and you get 40 tonight.
Oh my God.
And this is from,
tell you I'm blessed, bro.
It's from Oliver and Carla.
Oh, you're kidding?
No,
Oliver and Carla, oh my gosh. Long time I don't see you folks. I'm thank you so much. Because honestly, you know, I never really have no vibes to go here report.
Yeah.
You see, like when my mind tell me, say no show out. Me never really, and I like say me never have no money still, you know.
Yeah.
But you know, my mind never really give me for go.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Because I was there today because I went and pick up the guest, Frank, you know.
Mr. Frank.
Yes, I went and pick him up.
Yeah, man, Carl and Oliver, happy Christmas to both you and happy Boxing Day. So, I wonder if you guys up there boxing now. Because they always, when I was a kid, I heard about Boxing Day, you know. I thought people was gonna
with the fight, yeah.
Put on the gloves.
I used to think the same as well.
Kino, we have something here in the fridge for you, you know, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, I told you I was gonna get you, but Kino, guess I have to take them out because the freezer was clicking.
Arizona.
Extended family. You see, whenever time Kino is coming, from him tell me always have him Arizona them.
Thank you so much, man.
Yeah, feel ya.
Frozen. Well cool. Thanks, man. Colors, man. You know, cause
you know, let me say everybody tell me say them love the current them.
Yeah, well, them I gonna love that one here right now. Look there, people.
Look
here, guys. Oh my, Gucci out. So you have Gucci on his wall all the way around. So over here you have Gucci meet Chanel. You know, I think them have a conversation. Them are read with one another now. Maybe them probably going in a relationship soon.
Yeah, I was gonna take down those and come get these with the sheet. You know?
Over here, I have Moochie.
So I was gonna take down those, but I'm so tired sleeping in the jacuzzi.
So this curtain, now Munchie.
I got it with the sheet set.
Okay.
And this is my Louis Vuitton sneakers that I wear with this outfit yesterday.
Jeez.
I was really shocking yesterday, bro.
Jeez.
Yeah. And this is another This is another yeah.
The Nike here.
I wear this one with this outfit here the day before. This is the outfit I wear the day before. Yes, man. Everybody have to say, oh, you can't buy so. I say, what you mean? Jimmy, I must know good things you have to buy, bro.
Yeah. They say sooner or later you got to donate again to close them.
Yeah, but I think they have a little more, but they want to rinse out.
Yes.
So when we know you go downtown, you get what I'm saying?
Colors,
Yes, my
man.
extended family.
Yeah, man, have a Merry Christmas, man. Anyway,
I
things
love
are
it
happy.
so much. I tell people, say, boy, I have to survive in a key, you know.
Anyway,
because guess what? I'm friended. I'm a blessed. Yeah, even the bridge made that video me yesterday. You know, when my video me last night, he might tell some people, say, this is colors. He always, there at airport, and sit down for a person who injured. So he was saying to them, whenever time when I get to the airport, look out for colors, give him my money.
Yeah, man, true.
Yeah, cause, you know.
Always trying.
Yeah,
trying,
man, you know.
Never stop trying colors. Anyway, go.
So what about Demo Wongo? Where's she?
Oh, she's down by the countryside.
The countryside,
yeah.
Okay.
So we'll meet up with her soon.
Because when she coming back, you know, I did want she come look around and see around. Because my mommy did tell her.
Yeah.
And you
well, she got see it when she watching the video.
Okay, and you did tell her, say, yo, man, I get some.
Yeah. So I'm going to see a Christmas tree this year. What about the pepper light them?
I never really plan for buying now.
Oh, bling bling. Because now I'm coming to the place, decorate up, bling bling and everything.
Well, I never feel for buy up no.
Next time then.
Yeah, you see, but the greatest thing, I get my Gucci curtain then.
Yes, sir.
I mean, Mother Teresa go downtown today, you know. And she take me into a store. So when I see them curtain, I say, she say, colors is on Lelo and I say, yeah, man, but I never buy all of them cash in a key, you know.
Yeah.
I buy 2, then the next day I'm gonna buy 2, and the next day I'm gonna buy 2.
Okay.
Yeah, and everybody love the shit, bro.
That is it, man.
Yeah,
That
for
is
real,
it.
man.
So, Colors, big up yourselves, man. Have a Merry Christmas, man.
Yeah, man.
Run. Thank you so much for the Arizonas.
What you mean, man?
You know how it goes, man. I will give thanks.
Come key, you tell me, you say I come. You're Arizona, them have to buy, you know.
Alright, then. So, big up yourself.
Yes, man. And big up all of my extended family, them. You see
Every
me?
time. Sign them out.
Yeah. I'm signing out. You get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. God, I'm not feel for it.
Let me know the pain we feel. Let me know the lonely days we go without no meal. Let me know the pain we feel. Let me know the lonely days I go without no meal. Listen good. Enough of them I praise God, but yet still none of them know holy. Them want take for glory, but with destiny Jah control it. This is my life, so me a phone it. Put this first above fashion and jewelry. I'm in a frightened for money. Me love my 2 sons, Tusha and Malik, mommy and daddy. Yeah, me do this for the team and the family. Excuse my bad mind, sorry. Them vex shoot them curse or them haunted, but me rather run wanted before my power with dog shit. Now for them a squeeze lime, so I done vomit, yeah. Let me know the pain we feel. Let me know the lonely days we go without no meal. Let me know the pain we feel. Let me know the lonely days I go without no meal. Do my own thing, no in the nose of things. From my bar, me lead out, no boy can program me. Stacking up the bricks, make my own money. Big Benz man, I pre me no want sunny. Big house pan the hill for mommy and daddy. For the rich life, man, never done the burglary. Me have to make it for my granny pass off. Career shot, no, I need to blast off. Chip up the line and the fast start. If I for rich smart.
But I post me hear that style like last time I say that one different song.
Yeah, man.
Bad prefect, man. Yeah, from Africa.
Oh, you from Africa?
Yo, Africa, you know.
Ghana, man.
From
You
Ghana.
Ghana?
Yo, I live in Ghanaians, bro.
How long you been out here for?
For real, bro.
Oh, nice.
He came today.
Oh, nice. Yeah, bro. Show them a good time.
Yeah.
Nice.
So he's staying in Trench
That's
down
my
here.
two girls showing me.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I hope you
Today.
enjoy your trip, brother.
Yeah, man. You live here or just come on?
Nah, I live in California.
Yeah.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.